There's a woodpecker. With 2 woodpeckers back at the minute. Come with the nuts. There's a blue tit. Most of these tits and that are just young'uns, you'll notice. There's none of the parents around. All babies. I've adapted that seed thing to take nuts, to feeding the foal nuts, because the young'uns struggle on the wire baskets of the. Lovely view. Winter's day. If anybody wants to help feed the birds, the local wildlife, you can help by, I've got a wish bucket thing in me Buy Me a Coffee fund. So you can donate in my wish bucket thing towards a bird feed for the winter, for these birds, etc. Costs me about £100 a month. I'll feed them anyway, even if I don't get any donations, but all donations are a great help. A woodpecker just looks like a young one, doesn't it? Right, I'll do one now.